Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to create group chat in your IMO account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your IMO account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your IMO app. Here I go. Here you can see at the top right corner plus icon, tap on that. Now you have to choose the option create new group. Now here you can add some of your friends that are in your IMO contacts. Here I will be choosing some of them. After you are done, you have to mark tick on that blue icon at the bottom. Now you can give a name to your group. Now at the top right corner you can see that next, tap on that. You can see that I have easily created group chat in my IMO account. In this way you can easily create group chat in your IMO account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.